Hi everybody. Welcome to week 2 of 2PT 170 for our vacation, and I'm not awake yet, for summer 2013. This video is going to cover downloading data files and the hands-on exercises in chapters 2 and 3. So let's get started. Now, for chapter 1, when you started the first assignment, what you did, you took and you did a, sorry about that, you took and you created a new file, and then you used that file. From here on out, for Excel, most of the hands-on exercises, the very first one for each chapter, will have you download a file. The files are in the assignments, in content, okay? And if you click on content, go to course information, and under the very first thing, course documents, you see data files. So you're going to click there, and you'll see you have Excel, Access, and Word. Now, you can download all three at once. You can download the Excel files now and then come back and do the Access data files. It doesn't matter. All you're going to do is click on it, and then it's going to say download. Now, most of the newer browsers will bring you up a bar at the bottom like this. This is Chrome I'm in right now. And it will take you to a download folder, and you want to click show in folder, and that's where your Excel 1-zip is going to be. You do not want to extract them here. You can right click, copy, and then you're going to want to take and you're going to want to paste it into your, give me a minute here, I've got to go to my courses. Now, mine is much more detailed than yours. We've discussed this before. But I'm going to go to my 170. And then these are my videos. So I'm going to create a new folder. You won't have to. That says Excel data files. You can simply paste yours into your 170 course. And then right click and do paste. Now, once you've done that, you need to right click and extract all. You must extract the files. Okay, I don't know why that has a 1 after it, but we're gonna, probably because I've downloaded it for some previous semester. There we go. And extract. Actually, I don't want them. I'll take that name away too. There we go. And extract. You don't want to get them buried in too many folders, because then it just gets a hassle to find them. Okay, once we do that, we're ready to go. Right? Now, I also have a couple other comments in this particular one, video. I mentioned in the syllabus that, or in one of the procedural things before, that if you have a question that involves all of the students, like a generic question about how to do something, you should post it in discussions. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now too. We're going to click here. We're going to click discussions. Now, all of these discussions up here are general for information here. Okay? So if we scroll down here and we keep going down, information on how if my IT lab isn't working properly, and our weekly checklist breakdown, which I did in one of the other videos, hands-on assignment breakdown, and then there's your information on data files. Okay, and then at the very bottom you're going to see student questions, and under that you're going to have week 2 questions. So in order for you to look at this, you would click here, and if there were, you would compose, because you would have a new topic, so you would compose, and you would put in whatever your question is right there. Okay? Now, this is the end of our generic topics for today from D2L. So I'll be back in just a flash with the information for the skills for hands-on objectives 2 and 3. I'm sorry, the skills for hands-on exercises 2 and 3.